Assalamualaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us a wonderful platform to enlighten our brain and develop our personalities. This is Muhammad Fadraza. I belong to Kazipura Ghosi. My father's name is Mr. Muhammad Faisal Akhlaqi. I am going to deliver a speech on believe in yourself. Before starting my speech, I would like to mention some few lines. Success is worthless for those who don't believe themselves. कामयाबी उस व्यक्ति के लिए बेकार है जो खुद पर भरोसा नहीं रखते. I want to talk about something that I think is incredibly important for all of us to remember: the power of believing yourself. You see, we all have ability to achieve great things, but sometimes we need a little reminder of believe in yourself. Believe in yourself means having a strong faith, self-confidence, and self-belief. Let me tell you, if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Without believing in yourself, there is no way you can do whatever you want to do in your life. Believing in yourself isn't easy for always. There is a time when you doubt yourself, when you feel like you are not good enough. But those are the moments when you need to repeat and identify your true strength. I went up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.